Higa makan.
Higa ka na ng higa, sir. Hey, are you okay? The victim is not responding. Help or help! Help!
Okay.
And check the head. Check for obstruction by finger sweeping. Okay. Check the pulse. Negative pulse, negative breathing. I now perform the CPR.
Ano, sir?
15 to 2.
No balls, no breathe?
Negative pulse, negative breathing. I now perform CPR 15 to 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 9 and 1. Swimming is 2. Negative pulse. Up. Negative pulse and positive breath. Okay, now perform the AR.
Positive pulse, negative breathing.
Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Swimming to 5. Now positive breathing and positive pulse. Now perform the victim is revived. Now perform the recovery position. Okay.
Okay. Sir Mendoza. And